Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Tiara here, and I am back with another video. Malia, sorry, I have a toddler just making noise. Anyway, so today in this video I'm going to be making shrimp scampi. It's a very easy and delicious meal. I forgot to get a white one, but that's alright. It's still gonna taste out just as good. If you haven't yet, please like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below if you ever made shrimp scampi or if you ever had it and did you like it. So let's get into this video, and it's gonna be real quick and to the point. Alright, I'll be right back. Alright, so I got my onion cut up and some parsley. I got some red pepper flakes. I don't use it that much. I got some shrimp, I got some butter, I got some garlic, and I got the linguine noodles on. So we're gonna cook them al dente, and then we're gonna get over into the skillet over here. I'm using my cast iron skillet, and yeah, we about to get right into this thing. I put some oil. Okay, so I added the onion and the shrimp, and I seasoned the shrimp with Old Bay complete seasoning, paprika, and garlic powder. Alright, shrimp don't take long, y'all, so we're gonna take these out. Alright. Okay, so I added half of the parsley that I chopped up, the onion, and minced garlic. And then now I'm gonna add some lemon zest. So you're gonna zest some lemon. Squeeze that lemon juice. Add some pasta water. Alright, so I added the shrimp, the lemon juice, lemon zest, and some pasta water, and I'm going to add the pasta in there. After you add in the noodles, you're just going to mix everything up. So you're going to add some cheese, just a little bit, not too much. I like that buttery taste. And add some parsley. Alright y'all, this is the final touch. I added the red pepper flakes for a little kick, some cheese, some parsley, and I'm about to dig in, y'all.
That was too good.
That's good right there, y'all. So yeah, this is how you make the shrimp scampi. But I want to thank you guys again for watching this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this amazing, simple, quick meal. And I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.